Hi everyone, here we've got BLACKVIEW A60 Pro, and let me show you how to turn off running apps on this device. So actually all you have to do is simply tap on this 3 bars icon, so we will open the recents, and as you can see here we've got the full list of previously opened apps. If you want to close only one of it, simply tap on this X button right here, or just swipe it to the right or to the left. Just like that. But if you want to close all of them, simply tap on this X button right here. Let's wait a second. And as you can see, we just got back to our home page. Let's get back to the recents. And as you can see here, we've got no recent items, so it means that we successfully closed all running apps. So that's all. This is how to close background apps in your BLACKVIEW A60 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. If you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.